Good afternoon, students. So today which topic we learnt of grammar? We learnt the topic the verb part 2, the simple past tense. Means what does the verb means? The verb means action words. And yesterday we learned present tense. Today we will learn simple past tense. Past tense means the action which we have done much before. Past tense means the action which we have done much before. So here in the picture we can see that there is one girl. Now what actions the girl do before means what action the girl did in the past tense. We'll just see the actions. Usha woke up at 7 o'clock. Usha woke up at 7 o'clock. She brushed her teeth. She brushed her teeth and washed up. She did her exercises. She did her exercises. She had her breakfast. She had her breakfast. She dressed up. She is now ready for school. So now Usha is going for school. Now means in the present tense. But what she did in the past tense? She woke up, she brushed her teeth, she took a bath, she had exercise, she took her breakfast and she got dressed up for school. So this all actions she had done in the past tense. So in the past tense, which two letters we are going to use? We are going to use the letter ed and d. We are going to learn the letters ed and d. Okay, so we are going to learn the letters ed and d. So here crush will become crushed. Crush will become crushed. Move will become moved. Move will become moved. Like will become liked. Pull will become pulled. So question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the proper verb choosing from bake, comb, kick, lace and sail. So as I have taught you, you have also written the answers. So just will revise. 1. You have not laced your shoes properly. You have not laced your shoes properly. 2. He kicked the ball past the goalkeeper. He kicked the ball past the goalkeeper. Mother baked a cake yesterday. Mother baked a cake yesterday. Number 4. Haven't you combed your hair? Haven't you combed your hair? Number 5. They sailed in the boat for hours. They sailed in the boat for hours. Now next. In some verbs, the simple past tense is formed in other ways. Now what are the different words which are converted into past tense? We'll just read it out. Is, was, am, was, are, were, eat, ate, catch, caught, teach, taught, bring, brought, think, thought, buy, bought, sink, sank, throw, threw, stand, stood, give, gave, swim, swam, ring, rang, do, did, go, went, come, came, run, ran, say, said, tell, told, take, took, sit, sat, speak, spoke. So here now question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verb in the bracket. Now in the bracket these all words are present tense. Now we are going to write the answer in the past tense. We played football yesterday. Play will become played. We used to go to the beach. Use will become used. Everyone came for the wedding. Come will become came. The children danced with joy. Dance will become danced. Our teacher took us to the zoo. Take will become took. She covered her face with her hands. Cover will become covered. Rohan stood first in the class. Stand will become stood. He pointed to the window. Point will become pointed. He wanted to become a doctor. Want will become wanted. The alarm rang at 6 o'clock. Ring will become rang. The driver went to the garage. Go will become went. Sheila planted flowers in her garden. Plant will become planted. His father bought a new car. Buy will become bought. They enjoyed the joke with one another. Enjoy will become enjoyed. So students, complete the worksheet as I have shown you. We will meet in the next online session. Take care of yourself. Thank you.